Come on, it's live. Do it, Stuart. You're on candid camera. Come on now, the Tennessee tornado. My little Tennessee tornado. Come on, Stuart. Let's do the Tennessee tornado. Come on, man. I picked up this accent up here in Tennessee. It's Tennessee tornado. He's gonna do the tornado jump. And there's Gabriel. He's got his life preserver on.
I'm taking it off.
He's ready for safety. Now jump on in that waterfall out there. Come on now. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeehaw. Come on now. This is how we do it in Tennessee up here. We ain't playing no game, no show. Come on now, jump. Tennessee tornado. Do the Tennessee tornado. By the way, that water's about 50 degrees. GT.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's cold. Oh, that's cold water now. Come on now. Don't me on down and don't. Is that Jack Sapp in the back hanging out? Whoa. Alright. I just ate a big calzone, so my stomach's all sticking out right now, so I don't know if I can get in there or not. Went down to, what was that place called we just went to? Italian restaurant. Alright. Oh man, he's cold, he's cold. Don't slip. Generic GoPro. Let's do it. Jump. Oh man, I think I got it upside down. There we go. Okay. Oops. The water goes all the way from there, all the way down. And there's a giant cliff up there. And look out for Jason.